Hello children, I hope you would have done the questions given in the previous video from exercise 1.1 and 1.2. Let's revise some questions from exercise 1.3. Let's take the first question. Well children, this exercise is based on finding products of the integers. So let's take the first question, subpart 5. We have to find the product of these numbers, and here we see 4 numbers are there and all are connected with the multiply sign. Before we multiply, first let's count how many negative signs are there. Let's count 1, 2, 3. 3 negative signs. So children, one thing you have to make clear here, if you find odd numbers of negative signs, the final answer will be negative. If you find negative signs even number of times, so final answer will be in positive. So let's see this. Here we see negative sign 1, 2, 3 times. 3 is an odd number. So if odd number of times, then answer will come in negative. So we'll write minus first. In place of counting the negative signs, number of negative signs, you can just do also dictate like this also. Minus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus. The final answer will be negative. So we can see 2 1 2, 2 3 6, 6 4 24. Finally, negative 24. Okay. This will be your answer. Next we have children, question number 2, where we have to verify the following questions given. In question related to verification, it becomes a part of equation children, because it consists of 2 parts. One which is on left hand side, so it is called LHS, and one part after equal to sign, which is called right hand side. For verification children, we have to simplify the left hand sides, and then simplification of right hand side will be done, and finally we'll match the answer. If the final answers are equal, then LHS will be equal to RHS, and hence we'll say the question is verified. So let's first take the LHS. It says, first let's write the LHS, what it is. Minus 21 into, there is a bracket, minus 6 plus minus 4, and inside the bracket, bracket closed. We know children, while simplification, we have to solve the part which is written inside the bracket. So let's do this bracket first. And inside the bracket, what we have to do? First, we have to multiply these 2 signs. Wherever you see 2 signs coexisting, you have to multiply those signs first. So let's write minus 21 into minus 6 plus minus 4 and bracket close. Minus 21 into, we see children, here both are having same signs, so they will be added. Minus 6 plus minus 6 minus 4 gives you minus 10. And finally, we have to multiply these 2 numbers. Numbers are minus 21 and minus 10. Let's multiply first. 21 into 10, 210. And here we have to multiply the signs also. Minus into minus becomes plus. So we don't need to write plus in case of single number. So this is our LHS. We have simplified LHS, which becomes 210. Let's do the same for the RHS. Let's see what it comes. Minus 21, here we see children, let's write the RHS first. Minus 21 into minus 6 plus 21 into minus 4. And here we see signs, multiply plus multiply. We know children, in simplification we have to do first multiplication. So let's multiply first, and then we'll add the final result. So we are going to multiply this. If multiplication sign is there, it is in between 2 numbers, 21 and 6. So we have to multiply these 2 first. So let's multiply 21 6 are 6, 6 2 is 12, 126. And again, negative signs will also be multiplied. Minus into minus becomes plus. So we don't need to write plus here. Again, plus sign, put the plus sign here. And we have to multiply these 2 numbers also. 21 4s are 4, 8, 84. And negative signs multiplied by negative signs gives you positive signs. So it's over. Now, finally, we have to add these 2. It comes out to be 210. Here we see children, LHS value and RHS value both are matching. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, this statement will be verified. This is done. Next we have children, question number 5, which is a word problem. It says a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 32 degrees Celsius. Means room temperature is given. Room temperature is given. It is 32 degrees Celsius. At present, the room temperature is at 32 degrees Celsius. Okay, and freezing the rate of freezing is the 5 degrees Celsius every hour, means the temperature decreases by 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So what will be the room temperature after 8 hours? So let's see. Rate of freezing is equal to 5 degrees Celsius per hour. So if 5 degrees Celsius temperature is reduced, means, see children, temperature is decreasing, so we have to write minus 5 degrees Celsius per hour. Okay, so let's write next. So temperature reduced after 8 hours, means in 1 hour 5 degrees Celsius is decreasing, then in 8 hours, then we have to multiply to find out. 5 into 8, sorry, minus 5 into 8 gives you minus 40 degrees Celsius, means after 8 hours of freezing, the temperature will be reduced by 40 degrees Celsius. So the final temperature after 8 hours will be equal to, room temperature was 32 degrees Celsius and it was reduced by minus 40 degrees Celsius. So final answer will come out in, it gives you minus 8 degrees Celsius. Means after 8 hours, the process of freezing starts, the new temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. This will be your answer. Next we have taken, children, one more question. This is the last question which is given in your exercise, and we have to find the pair of integers whose product is minus 15 and the difference is 8. So children, we have to find two integers, suppose, when multiplied together gives you minus 15. So children, let's first find the integers which when multiplied gives you 15. They are 3 and 5 only. 3 5s are 15, but we need to have minus 15. So let's put minus here in one number, any of the number. So minus is put here. 3 and minus 5 when multiplied together gives you minus 15. One condition is satisfied, children. Let's see the another thing which we have to find here. That difference should be 8. So let's try to find out the difference between these two. So we have to find the difference between 3 and minus 5. To find difference, we have to subtract. You might be knowing this, children, that to find difference of any two given numbers, we have to subtract those numbers. So 3 and minus 5 will be subtracted. So when two signs come together, we have to put a bracket and then solve it. 3, these two signs will be multiplied first, minus minus becomes plus 5 and it gives you 8. Here, second condition is also satisfied. These two numbers when multiplied gives you minus 15. So the two integers will be, then your final answer should go like this. The two integers are, first integer is 3, so we'll write 3, and another one is minus 5. This is your answer. This we come to the end of this video, children, and you all are supposed to do all the questions we have discussed from this exercise in your notebook.